Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how can we solve the simultaneous equation by using a simple elimination method. Okay, so let's say we are given two equations here. We have 6x plus 3y equals to 39, and another equation is 4x minus y equals to 11. Okay, so whenever we talk about elimination method, we have to remember that if we're trying to use elimination method to solve the problem, we need to make sure either one of the x or the y here to be the same. Either x or the y have to be the same, sorry. Okay, so in order to do so, right, we may transform, okay, the equation here into a new equation. So let's say the 6x plus 3y is equivalent to the first equation, okay? Or I can mention that the 4x minus y equals to 11, this one as equation 2. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, none of the x or so-called the y is the same. What do I mean by the same here? Okay, so for example, if you can take a look on the 6x and 4x here, okay, so basically both of these are not the same, right? So we need to make it the same. How? Very simple, just multiply them with each other. Okay, what do you mean by multiply them with each other? Okay, what do I say here is we multiply the 6 and the 4, okay, with each other. So now what can we do here is, okay, we take the equation 1, we try to multiply it with 4. It simply means that all the items in equation 1, I have to multiply by 4. So 6x times 4, we get 24x. For the 3y here, okay, after we times 4, we're going to get 12y, okay? And then for the 39 here, right, after we times 4, okay, then we will get a figure is about, okay, it's 120, 36 is become 156, okay? So this is how I transform the first equation into another new equation. So we can name this new equation as equation 3, okay? Then after that, I need to transform the second equation here into another new equation. But this time, I have to multiply the second equation here, everything in the second equation with 6. So the 4x times 6, it becomes 24x. For the negative y, it becomes negative 6y. For the 11, it becomes 66. Okay? Then after that, alright, we can name this new equation as equation 4. Okay? Next thing. Okay, our target or our plan here is we're trying to eliminate. Okay, we're trying to eliminate the 24x here. Okay, so what we can write here is this is equation 3 minus equation 4. So that means anything in the equation 3, I need to minus it with equation 4. Okay, so over here you can see 24x minus 24x, we have nothing left over. And then, but then we have 12y minus the negative 6y, it turned out to be 18y, okay? And then 156 minus 66, we get 90, all right? So in order to get the y, we just have to move the 18, so it becomes 90 over 18, then we get 5. That's it. This is how we get the value of the y. So in order to get the x, right, what we have to do is we just have to sub in y equals to 5 into any of the equation here. We have equation 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be any equation here. Okay? Right. So what we have to do here is we write down sub. Okay, we sub the y equals to 5 into any equation. So let's say I sub it into equation 1, for example. Okay? Right. So what do you mean by sub in here? Okay, it simply means that I have to transform the y in equation 1 here to be 5. I have to turn it to be 5. So meaning to say I have 6x plus 3y equals to 39. This is the original equation 1. So what I have to do here is I change the y here into 5. So it means 6x plus 3 times 5 is equals to 39. Okay, so 6x plus 15 is equals to 39. Okay. Last but not least, we have 6x equals to 39 minus 15. So the 6x equals to 24 and my x will equals to 24 over the 6, and we have 4. So in conclusion, I'm going to say that the answer for this question is x equals to 4 and then the y is equals to 5. Okay, basically that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.